very surprised by this wig. I'm gonna tell you. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. So before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay y'all, so today, y'all voted and I listened. This is the brand new unit from the Sensational Textured Lace Kinky Edge wig line. This is the style Kinky Silk Press in 26 inches, and I got the color 1B. It's a natural color, but it does come in some special colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. Let's go ahead and just bust this out the packaging real quick. She long up in here. Kenny had my scissors opening up some stuff for the kids, and he didn't bring my scissors back. But this is the Kinky Silk Press. Wait a minute. It's feeling a lot more silky than Kinky Silky. If you're looking for texture, it gives the look of it, but it's definitely on the silkier side. See that luster in there? The edges with that hair? That's gonna tangle. But we're gonna get it together anyway, because I ain't wasting my money. When I buy it myself, I have a lot less tolerance of waste. If I use Kinkin's coin, I'm a little more wasteful. This is a 13x6 HD lace. It is pretty soft as well, so that's good. You got 2 combs on the side, and then you have the attached elastic band with the comb in the back and the adjustable straps. So basic standard cap, nothing crazy. Use my black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Milk Chocolate. This is a pressed powder. I'm gonna put that all around the lace. If you have lace spray, you can definitely use that, but that's just a little bit too messy for me. I feel like the powder gives me a little bit more control, so that's why I like using it. I think I can get away with the straps in the back. We're gonna see. The elastic band is not adjustable, so, oh yeah, it fits. It has a good stretch. It's very comfortable, so it fits really nicely. Let me brush it out. I'm gonna use my bristle brush and my blow dryer on high heat, move really fast, and blow out these edges. Now, before y'all give me a thumbs down, because I know somebody's already itching to do it, I'm showing you what to expect from the wig. So you not liking the wig has nothing to do with me. Some of y'all really be confused by that. Put that thumbs down on my video. It's not hurting the brand, it's hurting me. You telling YouTube you don't like my video because you don't like the wig? Ooh. Listen, help a sister out here, please. Do my little claw clip. It's a little circular, so I'm gonna pull some of that out. This is all optional. You don't have to tweeze anything. These scissors are horrible. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Gotta cut all the way up here like this. Goodness. Use my razor. Cut this off. This razor is trash. Let's try the other one. I got all my bad tools today. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline. Kind of help melt that lace. I don't know if I'm gonna spray it down just yet. We're gonna see. Brush down some of these hairs. Kind of blend that a bit. Let the mousse kind of do what it's gonna do. Where's my black band? Pop this on. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then we'll come back and see how this wig looks. Whew, chow. Okay. And see how the hairline is sitting without the spray. Not bad. I do need to use my contour to blend this down. So to blend my lace, I'm just using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Catsina. Tap that on the brush. Leave the excess and tap it around my hairline. And get my edges as well. I may just do a light spritzing around the hairline. Take my Esha melt spray. Bring down those excess hairs. Start brushing this hair. Ooh, I don't feel like this first batch is right, Sensational. I really don't, because you already did this texture with the butter lace. So if this is supposed to be a textured wig, it's not giving that. Y'all see that? It's laying flat though. As I'm brushing it, the hair was going down, so that's pretty legit. Not really sure why it's buckling right there. Very nice parting space. Use my milk chocolate powder in the parting space. Tint that lace, help with the grids or the knots of the lace. Hold up, I'm a little crooked. And I think we are finished. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Let me get my, even though there's a luster in this hair, I'm gonna use a little bit of my silk spray because it does help eliminate frizz. And the more I move this hair around, y'all see these things on the back here, they picking up. So let me just do a little bit, trying to get it on my glasses. Even though I already did, oh well. Brush that through. I'm also gonna work through these tangles on the bottom. I'm very surprised by this wig. I'm gonna tell you, the wig does not look like this on the card. Look, you can see the texture. Did y'all mean to do this texture, Sensational? It just dropped. So sometimes, you know, the batches are bad. If you got this wig, let me know if there's texture in yours. This is silky. I feel real pretty in it. It wasn't the texture that I was expecting. It's from the textured wig line, Kinky Silk Press. I don't think it was supposed to be this silky. That's unfortunate. It definitely gives off the same vibe as the butter lace wig. Even though it was pretty, it didn't have a lot of texture in that one either. So I was hoping this one had the texture. It got tangles. I need textured. That's the tea I was looking for. I wish I could do more with this one, but honestly, I really don't want to, just because of the tangling and the texture. It's not giving what I wanted it to give. So simple bust down for me. I'm gonna buy another one and see if maybe the batch was bad. But as of right now, I probably won't wear this wig again. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.